Good afternoon, students. Now I'm going to tell you the practical about Microsoft Word 2010. You know how to open Microsoft Word 2010, that is click on Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, Word 2010. Then the first page of Word looks like this. Here you have Quick Access toolbar, that is here you have some specified buttons to quickly open to the options. This is the Word application. This symbol of floppy, this is the save button, undo button, redo button and new button. Then you have in the red highlighted where document 1 Microsoft Word is written, this is called title bar. Then you have various tabs: file, home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view. These are the tabs. Then you have various options available, and then you have this groups. There is clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, then you have styles group and so on. And at the end of it where this line is written, this is called ribbon area. Ribbon area contains these tabs and these groups. These are the ribbon area. Then you have rulers, the top ruler and the left side ruler is given, the margins rulers. Then you have this white working area, this is called the working area or the document area where we work. And then you have vertical cursor blinking over here, this is known as the insertion point or the cursor. Next you have at the end is your status bar. Status bar shows the number of pages. Right now I am working on page 1 of 1 and how many words I have typed. I have not typed anything over here, so word 0 is shown here. If I type a word, for example I am typing computer, I have written computer, so it will be showing one word is typed here. So this is your status bar. And on the right hand side there is vertical scroll bar is there, this is the scroll bar. Now first topic which we have done was of how to create a word file. Now for example I am writing computer, and see when I am writing the cursor is being shifted to right hand side automatically. I am writing computer is an electronic machine. I have typed one sentence. Now I want to save the this is how to create a MS Word. How to create MS Word for new. First we'll go to file. First method is file. Then you have new option. When you click on new option, this page will be coming. This is available templates. Template here means the stored samples of the pages which are stored inbuilt in your computer. From this we'll go to blank document. Blank here means empty document. Then click on create button. A new document is created. This is how to create a new document. First method, and here document name is document 2. First time when I opened it was document 1. Now it is document 2. First method to create document is this. Second method is pressing Ctrl Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N means create also new document. Then document 3 I am creating. Second method is this. Third method is using the new button from the, this is your quick access toolbar, this is your new button. Clicking on new button, then document 4 is opened. So see 3 methods of creating the new document. Now I am saving this document, like for example in writing, this is my first page. This is my first page I have written. And for saving, first method is click on file. First time when you are saving, you will go to save as option. Save as option will open up a dialog box of save as, where here the location you will specify where to save. For example I specify desktop. Then you give the file name. For example I am giving the file name as RIA file name, and save as type is document. Then click on save button. Then that document 4 which was displayed here, now the name is being changed to RIA. First method for saving file is this. Second method for saving, now I am writing this is my second page. This is another document which I have to save. Then second method is using ctrl plus s. Again save, as dialog box will appear. I'll write Riya, can write Raghav. Secondly, I am saving with Raghav. I again choose the destination as desktop and then save button. So the name has been changed to Raghav. Next is third method for saving is, so this method is document 2. This I am writing, this is my home page. Now to save this, which was having earlier name document 2, I want to save this. Third method is using this save button from the quick access toolbar. Then again save as dialog box appear. Write down any name. I'm writing Govind. Govind. Choose the destination desktop. It should be saved and save. So the document 2 has been changed to Govind. Now I want to close this file. First method to close is using file, then close option. So Govind file has been closed. Next is next file is of Raghav. I want to close this. Then go to Control plus W. Control plus W. The Raghav file has been closed. Two method is using file and close, then Control plus W. Now I am closing everything and I will tell you the next method, how to open the files. I am closing all the files, and cross button is also used for closing. Now open files. First we'll go to Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is opening. Three methods are also available for opening the Word document. We have saved 3 files, Riya, Govind and Raghav. I'll tell you first method to open. First method to open is go to the file option, file tab. In file tab you have open button. When you click on open button, open option, open dialog box will appear. Choose the destination desktop. In desktop we have saved the file as this file. Govind is saved. Click on Govind and open. So this is the file name Govind where I have written this is my home page. Next method to open file is again go to, next method is using Control plus O option. CTRL plus O option. CTRL, this is the CTRL button plus O option. Then open dialog box again appears. In that open, click on the destination desktop. In desktop again I'll open the file. I have Sia file name saved here. Sorry, Riya file name saved here. Raghav also I have saved. Click on Raghav. Open. So the file named Raghav has been opened. That is, this is my second page. Another option is using the open button from the quick access toolbar. This is your quick access toolbar. This is the open button. Click on open button. Then again choose the destination from where you have saved, desktop. I'll now open the Riya file name. Scroll it down. There is Riya file name. Select and open. So this is my first name and the file name is Riya. This is the title bar where file name is written. So this was all topic which we have done till now. Do read the first 2 pages including the topics save file, create file, open file and close the file.